Didiscuss ko dito bakit hiwalay yung edited fee sa session fee. Before I do that, I'm going to share my screen. So this is the unedited file of one of my clients. As you can see, maayos na siya. I'm a sock shooter when it comes to studio shoot or any type of portrait session. I make sure na maayos na siya. Sock means straight out of camera. So, kung ano yung nakikita nyo dito, yun din yung nakikita ko sa camera ko. So, syempre, para yan ma-achieve yung ganyan na kuha, I am trained to light the subject that way. So, nasa pag-iilaw yan, composition, and I am trained how to handle the baby that way, kung paano siya patulugin, mga ganon. Or kung ibang portrait session yan, I am trained how to light the subject correctly, straight out of camera, para maayos siyang i-deliver sa client. I am not sure with other businesses or studio, pero sa session fee ko, included na tong mga unedited files. So, nasa sa inyo kung gusto nyo magpa-edit. The reason why hiwalay pa yung editing fee because of this. Isusum ko ha. As you can see, hindi siya perfect. Kahit anong ilaw ko dyan, kahit gaano pa ako kagaling mag-ilaw, hindi mabubura yung mga baby pimples, rashes, or imperfections ng client skin. Oops. And also, my intention kapag kumukuha ako ng photo is to edit it my style or sa style na requested ng client. As you can see, pag nakikita niyo yung mga edited files ko, more on fine art or painterly style. So, I light it the way it is. Kung ano yung intention ko pag kinuhanan ko yung photo. As you can see, this is a Rembrandt lighting. I make sure na kahit papano may triangle shape dito sa kabilang side ng subject. So, sa editing, ano ba? Ba't hindi ayan, pen na nga lang gumit ko. So, sa editing, yan ay tatanggalin ko isa-isa. I make sure na perfect siya when it comes to editing. So, yung mga pagbabalat na newborn, syempre, yan ay totally normal sa newborn baby, lalo na sa kagaya nito, 3 weeks old. So, tatanggalin yan para maging perfect siya sa print. The way I edited the subject is my intention siya to print. So, any bookings that I have or any photos that I took, ang intention ko talaga is shoot to print. I don't know kung ano yung business model ng iba, but that's my business model. I shoot to print. So, lahat ng edited files ko, lahat may printed copies. And that is non-negotiable. So, if you don't want the printed copies or hindi nyo gusto magpa-edit sa akin, that's totally fine. You will get this kind of photos to be delivered after ng session nyo. So, sa session fee, ito lang makukuha nyo, unedited files. Siyempre, yung mga gagamitin ng bata, professional fee namin, ng team namin, you are paying for the assistant as well. And professional fee ko, kasi I am a trained newborn photographer. Huwag niyong gagawin yung ganitong poses without any knowledge how to do it. And without any assistant. So, ayan. As you can see, sa unedited files, makukuha nyo may ganyan, may assistant hands. Siyempre, tatanggalin ko yan sa editing. Ayan. Tatanggalin din yung mga ibang imperfection sa skin niya. What else? So, ayan. Sa composition, I was trained to do that. para maganda na siya kahit hindi pa edited. Pero, yun nga, pag zoom mo, kita mo pa rin yung mga blemishes na yan. So, hindi po siya because of the camera. So, if you keep on saying na, ang ganda po ng camera niyo, ma'am, kaya ganyan po yung kuha. No, it is because I know how to light the subject. I know how to compose a certain angle sa newborn photography, and I am trained to do that. Kaya iba yung bayad nyo sa session fee sa editing fee. Editing fee or editing itself is a different kind of skill set kesa dito sa pagkuha pa lang ng photo. That's a different kind of skill set as well. That's the reason why hiwalay siya. Hindi ko alam sa ibang photographer kung paano yung business model nila, but that's the way I run it. Kasi my intention to shoot is shoot to print talaga. Unlike sa, nag-event coverage din ako, pero unlike sa event coverage, ang makikita nyo, hindi siya ganun ka-detailed na editing. 5 to 10 minutes maximum time of editing lang ginagawa ko doon kasi preset mostly ang ginagamit or color correction lang. Hindi siya kagaya nito na painterly style or sampulan ko lang kayo ng mga edited na. Hindi siya kagaya ng painterly style, portrait like this, or fine art style of editing. Yan, hindi siya ganito. Yan. Sa event kasi, ewan ko para sa akin lang. Ang event kasi, ang intention nyo is para sa bisita. Yung ganitong portrait kasi studio shoot, para sa akin is lagi kong iniisip na ipapaprint siya ng client. Unlike sa event, you are getting a photographer not just for documenting the event itself, but for your mga guests na rin or bisita nyo na rin. Hindi siya yung tipong ipe-preserve nyo talaga through prints. Kaya mas detailed ang editing ko when it comes to studio photo shoot. So, ayun lang naman. If you have other questions regarding this, or sana maliwanagan na kayo tungkol sa bakit hiwalay ang session fee sa editing fee. Kasi my business model is I shoot to print. Hindi talaga siya pang posting purposes lang. I photo shoot the subject because gusto ko siyang i-print or gusto ko makakuha ng printed copy yung client. Madalas yung sasabihin na hindi namin kailangan ng printed. That's totally fine. You will get the soft copy ng unedited files, which is like this. So, nasa sa inyo na yon kung gusto yung lagyan ng filter, but please don't tag me kasi it doesn't represent my style of editing or my work. Pero yeah, feel free to add filter, Instagram filter kung gusto nyo. But don't tag my business page or me sa ganong type of posting. Kasi iba nga talaga yung style ko. I don't allow other photographers to edit my photos as well without my permission. So if you decided to have this edited with other photographers, please note na may copyright lahat ng images na to galing sa camera ko. So, manonotify ako pag in-upload to na ibang photographer. Ayun lang naman. So, please ask permission kung gusto niyo pa-edit sa iba, pero I won't allow it. Pero kung gusto niyo lagyan ng filter pang Instagram posting, go ahead. Pero ayun nga, kung mag-hire kayo ng ibang photographer to edit my photos or my work, I don't allow it kasi may copyright na po yan. baka mapagalitan ko lang yung photographer na gagawa nun. So please ask permission. So if you are a photographer as well and you see my work, please inform me. Medyo insulting yung sa side mo kasi kinuha ka niya mag-edit ng photo kasi mas mura ka. Mas mura yung fee mo. And insulting na rin sa ibang photographers yun. Pag ikaw mismo yung nag-edit ng photos nila. So, ayun lang naman. Kaya, I have options sa client na nasa sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo magpa-print or magpa-edit sa akin within a year, meron kayong files sa akin nito within a year. Kasi after a year, nagbubura na po ako ng client photos. Hindi ko siya kinikip forever to free some space sa hard drive. Mahal po kasi ang hard drive ngayon. Nasa 4,000 to 5,000 ang isa. So, ayun lang. If you think I am fit to capture the memories of your baby or your pregnancy, feel free to hit up our page. We will answer any type of questions that you have. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.